something in the washing machine. Can you check it out?
Okay. Can't get in the...
Drinks?
Oh, I'm in here. What the? No, let me out!
Yeah, so we don't need anything right
Should I put these cupcakes in the other room?
now. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
You're so bad.
You're so bad. I really don't care.
You want to know what this is? This is Bobby's. This is Bobby's piss. Piss is not a cuss word, okay?
It's a harsh word. It's not...
Piss, damn, and hell are not cuss words. I don't know if people think they are. I think my dad thinks they are, and he's a moron because of that.
Well, let's not say... What the heck?
You want to know what this stuff is on the floor now?
It's your fluid that's running for your body.
That's brown, not...
Wait, come into the washing machine. I found something weird. Come into the washing machine.
Ah!
Come into the washing machine. I have a surprise for you.
Stop!
Oh! Oh, it's bleach. It's bleach.
This is... Are you sure about that? I think it's...
What the heck? I fell out of the world.
I think... You want to know what this is?
What? Please
Bloom's bodily fluid.
What the heck?
If you know what I mean.
I know what you mean, but like that's kind of... What is someone who's a fan of video, bro?
I'm not posting those.
We're not friends with him. We can't say his name without advertising.
I'll cut that part out if they end up posting.
I'll probably just bleep it out because, you know.
I'm not posting this though.
I'm posting it. Because I can't miss... What the heck? Don't touch
I
the dirty
can't,
clothes.
look, I can't grab it. Oh,
I grabbed it.
I've had it in my inventory the whole
Oh
time.
my gosh, you're stupid.
Sticking out your tongue for the... Are you really not waiting for me?
Amber Barker.
Are you really not waiting for me right now?
Okay. I cleaned this tray off so that it doesn't have... But you guys have to remember to close things, yeah?
Come to Papa.
But there's ants up here on the desk.
You're so scared.
Make it to
Sticking
the...
out your gap for the visitor. You're
Come
so...
into the washing machine. I'm waiting. Ah!
You just
I can't believe those Doritos aren't in the shape of Pringles.
I didn't touch the checkpoint.
Advertising.
You moron.
Amber Barker! Why is my face rolling across the floor? I'm just gonna play a bowling ball noise.
There you go, wait.
I'm touching the checkpoint! Ew, you touched my butt cheeks.
Skyler?
Oh, my toe.
Skyler, I kind of cleaned this up so hopefully there's no ants on here. But
Ta-ta!
put here, you guys are good to go, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Can I throw this empty one
You just
away?
failed.
Amber, I forgot to press the jump. And now it's taking 5 million years to load. Stop! No, I don't want to skip this stage. No Robux.
You don't have Robux because you're poor.
Can I
Why is
throw
that
this
so
away?
true? Amber Barker.
Skyler,
Yeah?
can I throw this away? It's
Yeah.
empty.
Wait, no.
What?
No.
Oh, you weirdo.
There's no checkpoint. What do I do?
Do you want your door closed? I closed so I can get...
What do we do here?
Keeping it tightened.
What do we do here?
Just. Whoa!
Did he just eat me?
He's trying to gulp us.
I mean, oh, stop!
Oh my gosh, we're gonna go from his butthole. That's so exciting.
Stop! Stop it!
You just accept your fate.
I can't make it faster. No, I have to. You have to jump on his head and then jump down.
Well, wait, but I'm his like immune system.
You wanna know what this stuff is?
Nothing that represents a YouTuber because I cannot afford that.
Afford what?
It costs money to talk about another YouTuber, unless if you're friends with them, I think. Oh no, it doesn't. It's just advertising, and I don't want avatars. Except for it's for you. Go sub to toe_gaming.
I have such slow videos.
I didn't press the checkpoint. Emma Baka.
What the hell?
Come on, Barbie. Let's go. No, that's copyright. Oh.
Copyright stuff is like kind of stupid.
Well, if you made something that you're really proud of and someone stole it from you, would you be mad that someone stole it from you? That's what copyright is.
No, but if they're just singing a song.
Ew, am I in his butt?
Yeah.
I see the poop. I see his poop.
This is his bottle we stole.
I'm free! Not that one.
What?
It's this one. Not that one. Not that one. It's this one.
We're just.
I did a trick that someone from a YouTuber told us to do, and it is super freaking easy.
You're so skibbity.
You're so popular.
You're so skibbity. You're so famutax.
Wait.
I just wanna be your Sigma.
Wait for me.
Never.
What?
You're clapping right now, dude.
What?
You're clapping something.
How am I clapping?
I just found the best shortcut ever. Dude, this is funny. This is so easy.
Wait, what'd you do?
I will show you. What are you?
I'm on stage and nobody talks about my stage.
Are you recording?
Yeah. 7 minutes in.
Wait, you know what we should do? We should put the videos together, like side by side.
Oh my gosh, slay. Oh, we should send each other the recordings, and then we can do whatever we want with it.
That's a good idea.
Shoink!
Finally. Look, so you see how you have to. Let's go. Go.
Moon, no bark. Can you talk to your puppy so she doesn't bark?
No, you can't use shortcuts in this. Doesn't count.
What the heck? I found the world again!
Sticking out your yeah. Wait, no.
Whoa!
Wait, no. If I sing that, even if I sing that, it will still copyright.
Finally, I'm not dead.
Sticking out your yeah for the Vizsla. You're so popular. You're so pretty.
Thank you for waiting for me.
I know I'm the best friend ever.
I know, right? You just say way better than me. Can't believe I just said that.
What?
That you're better than me.
That's the truth. Even though you've been playing Roblox for like a lot longer than me.
I have a life.
You have played Roblox for a lot longer than me.
I highly doubt that.
Like a year.
I don't spend all my time on Roblox like you do though.
I don't either. You're so skibbity.
I'm a baka. What the?
You didn't even get a second to.
cracking my toes. I'm so mad.
You fell.
Skyler, if you snort one more time, I will punch you
No
into
bark.
oblivion. Don't make me laugh. Stop! I'm only doing this because you snorted.
Would you be mad if I messed you up?
If you messed me up, I would literally smack you. I'm not joking.
Huh?
This is making me ooh. What the?
What?
No!
Nice.
Haha, haha. Let's go, sister. Slay.
It's fine. You'll die. You're
Whoa!
Yeah, for the river.
I feel like I'm about to punch someone in the face. I fell out of the world!
You have anger issues.
I do, and I'm proud of it.
You shouldn't be proud of that.
I should. You know, it's really something to be
I
a
just thought you
crown
died.
jewel.
I just thought you died.
I am going to frickin' rip your skin off your face!
You're not happy. You feel like this is like easy obby.
You know? You're really getting on my nerves.
I know. That's my goal.
Right now, my goal is to punch you in the face until you die.
Then do it, a little wimp. Would you rather me Ulu?
Yes, actually. I'd rather you uwu than snort. If you push me off.
Ulu.
I told you I would rip your skin off.
I didn't even need to do anything. Are you not happy?
No, I'm not happy because you are really...
No, I would check for you first. Stop.
Get off of me!
You are the one attacking me.
You are the one messing me up!
I haven't seen that crying face for so long. That. Did you fall?
I know. Help me one more time together, and I will kill you.
It's not that hard. It's really not that hard.
It's really not that hard. It's really not that hard. I really don't care.
I hope you fall.
I hope you die.
I'm still alive. I'm still alive. No, you don't. No, you don't. Ooh, is this a checkpoint?
Ooh, it's a checkpoint. Ooh, is this a checkpoint? Oh, it's a speed thing.
Oh.
I thought the yellow glowing stuff
Yeah.
was an obstacle.
Same. I died. This is supposed to be really easy. No.
You're so pretty. Yeah, you're not pretty. Yeah, you're not popular. You know, this is supposed to be an easy obby white. This is supposed to be fun.
Are you okay?
No. I'm not mentally okay.
It's not possible. I really don't think that's possible.
Stop snorting.
Stop, that really hurt.
It's getting kind of annoying.
It has to hurt, okay? I just let you fall. I don't think we're doing this right. I don't think we're doing this right.
Yeah, I don't know if we are.
We're doing really good now.
I am about to rip this person's skin.
How do you do it?
You mess me up, I will kill you.
How do you do it?
Stop! No!
Oh god.
There was no checkpoint!
What?
There was no checkpoint! No! I hate you!
Okay, if I make it, I will jump off.
Okay, thank you.
It's not your fault. How do you do it?
I'm not sharing my secret, babe.
I'll walk you. Stop! No, it's my secret. My secret way didn't work. Okay, I don't think it's possible.
I think it is.
I'm actually really sorry. I think you're gonna me too. You fought. It's not fun. No. It's somebody fought. I think you fought it. No! It's not possible. Where did you put your foot up? Fall off! You said you fall off. Yeah. But now, next time I make that, I will go. What's your secret? Please tell me. I just did it. I don't know how. Yes, I did it! I knew I was doing it. Just don't fall here.
Okay, no, from now on, no messing each other up.
That was guard checkpoint.
No, no, no.
Oh, no checkpoint.
Yeah, I'm right here. There's no flipping checkpoint.
You fell out of every wall. You okay? Are you okay?
Shut up and act like a horse.
I just keep falling out of the wall. There's no hope for me.
Shut up and act like a horse.
You don't even have to act like a wall.
You don't even have to act like a pig.
Okay? How do you do it?
You already snort. You already act like a pig. You already eat like a pig.
Yes!
I feel like sharding my butt right now. God, I'm so flipping mad at this flipping game.
You have to go to the very edge of it.
Amber bucket.
You have to go to the very edge.
If I die, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go to Target. I'm going to buy a TV, and I'm going to buy a bat, and I'm going to smash that TV to pieces. And now I flip it out of the wall. You don't have to speed up this part because this part is really boring and there's some dying.
It's really not boring. It's really hilarious. You just go to the very edge.
I'm going to flipping sue whoever made this flipping game.
Let's go to the very edge. The very, very edge.
I flipping hate whoever made this stupid flipping game.
Let me do it.
No, I got it. I don't need your pity.
Okay, let's go. Hold up. That wasn't far enough, and you have to do it fast. I'm crying. Do it fast. You have to do it fast. And that's what. Just careful now, okay?
If I fall, I'm going to leave this game. I'm going to flipping right to it. And if I flipping right to it, then I'm gonna feel really bad for you guys, and I'm gonna do a little extra for you guys, okay? I'm flipping sled! I'm leaving this game.
No. Try one more time.
One more time, and if I fall, when I jumped on the stupid brick thing, it made me slide off.
I believe in you.
Yeah, I'm no, please, really, come on. I just like to thank everyone who made this game. Yeah. I hate work. Me too, bro.
You did so good. I've only took you to 55, but you did so good.
Damn. What the heck? Where did I fall?
That scared me. I just got cheated.
I saw that.
There's some in that part.
Can we not?
You just finished. No, I didn't. You got it.
Can we not? I'm probably gonna have to edit this video at your house.
Have any of that?
Hi.
This
Okay,
person has never
By the
said
way,
a
I'm
swear
recording
word
again. I'm
ever.
recording again. That's actually true. I've never ever sweared.
You have. Oh, never mind. You never have.
Yeah, I don't think I ever have.
Yeah.
I don't even recall.
Recording.
And I died, so I am now back here. Yahoo!
My whole recording. I've been recording this whole time.
I don't see a recording thing.
It's right here.
Help me! Help me! Help me! Ow!
Okay.
I don't think this is a washing machine obby anymore. I really don't think this is a washing machine obby anymore.
What is this?
Why did I fall out of
Ow! Why did you just scratch me? Are you a furry?
the world? I'm afraid. I'm just kidding, I'm not.
We finished it!
You're joking. You're joking.
You didn't though.
I'm getting a tear in my eye. I'm so happy.
You didn't.
I just cocked all over my
You
pants.
didn't though. You didn't make it. You didn't finish. I finished.
I just got that out of my system. Now I'm happy.
Did you just cock on my bed?
Nope. I just thought of something that I don't think you'll ever think of.
Hi there, sister.
Tearing off your skin.
You want to do another one?
No.
No, do this one. Come in here.
No, we are not doing another one.
The dentist one. Join us.
No.
No.
She's